Yeah, so hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorial blog. Myself Ishang Dua, and today we will be learning Kotlin for each loop, like how to write the code for each loop in Kotlin and implement it. So yeah, before starting basically the demo of for each loop in the IDE, let's just discuss what is for each loop. Basically, for each loop is the loop which is used to you can say that iterate the items. It has made our work easier, as we have in the for loop we have seen that we just take the items to the value, and now let's just see how the for each loop goes on. Yeah, so we would be creating a new project, Kotlin JVM, pressing the next, and would be naming it as for each loop. Inside the for each in the source, we would be going on to new Kotlin file and say we would be naming it as main. So now we would be begin our coding from here. We would be making a default function that is fun main. Inside the fun main, we would be taking val people. We would be making a list, as this is used to iterate a list. Val people, defining that it is a list. The type, that is person, equal to list of. Now here we would be adding the person. Like first the person, say we have written John. After that, say we have given Shank. After that, say we have given Rocky, and after that, say we have given Aditya. Yeah, now we would be simply writing people, that we have taken the name of the variable dot map it, the name of the iterator dot name. Now coming out of is this, we would be giving map id dot to it to upper case. Coming out of this, and would be finally giving for each. In this we would be giving print line, and inside the print line we would be giving it dot reversed. Just remove this, and now here we would be giving data class person, sorry, data class person, and inside we would be giving val name string. So dot name dot to uppercase dot for each id dot reverse. Okay, now all the error has been solved. We would be now going on to run main.kt. second. There's an error. 1 second. Yes, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Now you can see the output. Now we have used dot to uppercase, so all the things are in the uppercase N H O J, and we have used a function called reverse. So it has basically reversed all the variables that John, Ishank, Rocky, and Aditya. So this is how for each loop operates, and we have discussed in this lecture main functions that we use, that is uppercase and reverse. So yeah, now we would be keeping it till here, and we would be meeting in next lecture video for more interesting topics on Kotlin. So stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching this videos. Kindly like this video, comment on the video so that we can get more useful comments from your side and can improve ourselves, and share the video to your friends and to the people who you think it will help, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever we add a new video you are always there. And thanks for watching.